Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Veda if you don't already know, and if you do know, then come on inside and have a cup of tea with the missus. Yes, that's right. This is like the only Halloween look that I am doing this year, which is, many of you know, I love The Labyrinth. That is like my all-time favorite film. So yeah, I made this dress all myself, found everything at Goodwill. Literally made it all. So if you want to see that process, then I will have that very quickly at the end. This is going to be mostly focused on the hair. So yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited to do this look and share this look with you. So yeah. So if you want to see how to do the worm from The Labyrinth, then please keep watching. And don't forget to have a happy Halloween and keep it rocking.